Brought to you by GTA, your island, your network.
Bree and Jay, some heated moments in the Supreme Court over the tax refund case. The decision now rests in the hands of the justices.
A clear interpretation and application of the Organic Act and what constitutes the affirmative vote of the Guam legislature, that's what the administration wants to find out. Governor's legal counsel Sandra Miller.
What Guam law says is, no, you need 8. You just need that absolute number of 8. You can't have less than 8. You can have more, but you can't have less than 8. Well, what happens when you have a quorum then? And you have 8 senators. They have a quorum. Do you need a unanimous vote? And is a unanimous vote a majority vote? No. And that's where we have a clear problem, that we have a conflict.
Calvo filed suit earlier this year with the Supreme Court against the lawmakers for what they believe is an attempt to block the administration from using the TRAN, or Tax Revenue Anticipation Note, which would allow a $75 million credit line to speed up the payment of tax refunds.
The legislature to special session. The legislature very well was called into special session. The legislature, up until that point, did absolutely everything that the governor compelled it to do that was within the governor's proper ambit of authority.
As KUAM reported, the TRAN bill went before special session where it received 7 votes for passage. 6 senators voted no, while 2 were excused. According to the legislature's standing rules, 8 votes are needed for any bill to pass. The governor, however, contends the Organic Act trumps those rules. It states that a majority vote is all that is needed for legislation to go through. However, the legislature's legal counsel, Julian Uggan, argues.
Every step of the way, the governor has been attempting to strong-arm the legislature in this case to pass this bill, and now to challenge a half-a-century-old practice that every actor has acquiesced to, including the governor himself when he's been acting speaker. I think that's very dangerous, and I think that's something that the legislature is truly concerned about.
He also argues there's been no delay these past couple of months and no harm done in getting tax refunds paid in the absence of the TRAN bill. But Miller isn't buying it and says the administration will not fold.
This is the type of issue that causes undue delay. We will be back because if this does not get resolved now, a different administration and a different legislature will bring it up again.
We now wait for a written decision to come down. We, of course, will share those details once we get them. Bree and Jace, back to you.
Brought to you by GTA, your island, your network.